Where to invest your money? Deciding where to invest your money ultimately depends on your personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. However, here are some general options to consider. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Retirement accounts. Investing in a 401k or IRA can provide tax advantages and long-term growth potential for retirement savings. Stocks. Investing in individual stocks can potentially provide high returns, but comes with greater risk due to market volatility. Stocks are a type of investment that represent ownership in a publicly traded company. When you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. Stocks can be a good long-term investment option for those willing to tolerate market volatility and take on some risk. The value of a stock can fluctuate based on a variety of factors, such as the performance of the company, industry trends, and broader economic conditions. If the company does well and its earnings grow, the stock price may increase as well. On the other hand, if the company performs poorly or there is negative news, the stock price may decrease. Mutual funds, or ETFs. These investment vehicles offer diversification across multiple stocks, reducing the risk of investing in individual stocks. Real estate. Investing in rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can provide both rental income and long-term appreciation. Real estate is a type of investment that involves purchasing and owning property with the goal of generating income and/or appreciation. Real estate investments can take various forms, such as rental properties, commercial properties, and real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Investing in rental properties involves buying a property with the intention of renting it out to tenants, generating rental income and potential appreciation. This can be a good investment option for those willing to take on the responsibilities of being a landlord, such as managing tenants, maintenance, and repairs. Bonds. Investing in bonds can provide a steady stream of income, but with lower potential returns than stocks. Alternative investments. Examples of alternative investments include private equity, hedge funds, and cryptocurrencies. These investments can potentially provide higher returns but come with higher risk and limited liquidity. It's important to research and understand each investment option before making any decisions. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to help determine the best investment strategy for your specific financial goals and risk tolerance. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.